Hi everyone. So today I will show you quickly how to use Topogram, which is a software just developing. So basically first we need to log in. That's very basic. Okay, and once we are logging, you can see that you can access several data sets, and then you can also upload new data sets. So we try to upload one. So let's try this one. This is a sample of messages that have been crawled from Sina Weibo. So it's like random messages that have been extracted using the keyword APEC, during the time the APEC was in Beijing. So I just upload the data set. So now I have to choose like different parameters to describe this data set. So the first is which columns contains the text. This is the first one. This is the language. So it's only Chinese for now, but like the author ID. So this one, Soldier ID, and the time. Okay, this is the time pattern. Have to match a time column which is described here. So 发布时间, this is okay. So we have to be sure that this pattern matches this one. So it looks good now, and then we can add additional column to index. For instance, I have those two because those are the combos of retweet, and there's a sort of interesting information for us, and kind of comment as well. So now, okay, so the description have been updated, so we can start to index the data. So this can take some time because it's going to be indexed. So we can use like full church data. During that time, we can see so sample, like small sample of the data. Yeah, we will be using basically. Yeah, it may take some time. Let's see. Okay, so here we go. This is done. So here's the topogram. So topograms, they are representation of specific fact. You create a new topogram. So this is our data set. Now we can have the full church. So let's say we want to know during APEC what was the discussion around like Xi Jinping. So we can actually extract where we can see there's more than 2,000 results, and then here we can see the sample as well. So those are stop words. So the word we had, we can, like for instance, if we don't want to, they're already basic stop word, but we want to avoid to have a lot of like different words, we can just add those words and they won't be processed. I add APEC for instance because this is the word we use for sure, so it will be redundant, so we don't need, it will be noisy basically in the results. So here are the number of citation and words we want to use, and then here is the form of citation we are using. So we use the @Weibo, which is the basic dimension, and then we can start to create a topogram. So this is okay, so we can see that here, let's see, you can see that this has appeared. So this is basically a representation of all the words in the network have been processed. We can explore it, like we can see that Xi Jinping is closely related to Obama, right? And Gongshang, and of course Lin Daoren. And so here as well is we can find the word, we can see the degree. So degree is in network science is the the number of connection of a word. So the higher is the degree, the more connecting and the more important and central is the word in the conversation. And here we can see the actual tweets, and we can sort them. But for instance, let's say I want to know who has the most retweeted tweets. So here we go. This is the most retweeted tweet. It's like more than 10,000 retweets. Okay, which is basically looks like an advertisement, pretty much. And this is the most commented one. And then we can see that some like sort of 10% have been retweeted inside, and 21% have been like at comments. So it's sort of a conversational metrics to see. And then if you want to save it, so we can just like hit this button and save. It will open as a chart, right, as a new file. So